Hey friends, if you wish to install Notepad++ on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, I will show that it does not exist in the Microsoft Store. I have searched for it. The normal Notepad exists, but Notepad++ that is not present in the Microsoft Store. So to download this, here's what we will have to do. First of all, open any browser and search for Notepad++ download and hit enter. Okay, now we can go to the download page for Notepad++, and then you will have to select the stable update. Okay, select the stable update, the latest one. Okay, and then you can click on download Notepad++, and then click on this exe file here. Don't click on the advertisements by mistake, that will cause a lot of problems. And then click on OK, and then next, and then I agree, and then next, and then next, and then install, and let it install it. Okay, then click on finish, and it will automatically run it if that checkbox is selected. And here we are in Notepad++. Okay, we can create a new document here, new pad. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.